Now this illustration deals with control and signaling cables. In accordance with 392.22a6 and table 392.22a6. Now, in the illustration, you see at the top we have signaling cables. We have 1825 conductor at 18 AWG, square inch area of 0.35. The control cables now, we have 35 7 conductor, 14 AWG, square inch area, 0.15. And this is cable tray case 1. And there are multiple conductor cables used for signaling in accordance with 392.22a1 and A is in Apple 2. Case 2 cable tray, we have control cables. We have 16 5 conductor, 12 AWG, square inch area, 0.170. Now notice it's a ventilated type cable tray that complies with 392.22a1 and A2. Now with this information given, what we know is known, we will move to the next illustration and show the calculation.